Thanks for watching Tech Nurse. Today I am going to show you how to copy and paste using keyboard shortcuts or your mouse. I am actually going to show you two ways to do it. The first way is using your mouse and the right-click feature on your mouse or touchpad. You will left-click and drag right here at the end of the line of text that you want to copy. It will be highlighted now. Then you will right-click and click on Copy. Now you will go to wherever you want to paste it. You will left-click and then right-click with your mouse or touchpad and click Paste. That is how you copy using your mouse. Now if you would rather use your keyboard to copy and paste, I will now tell you how to do that. You will use the same technique to highlight the text with your mouse by left-clicking and dragging all the text that you want to copy. But after you do that, you will press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. It will copy it. Now you put your cursor wherever you want to paste the text and you will press Ctrl and V on your keyboard. It will paste it. That is all for today. Those are two ways to copy and paste text using keyboard shortcuts or your mouse. Thanks for watching.